It's not a proper green lane as such. As you see, it's got the unsuitable for motor vehicles. Has been recently resurfaced, but because it's so steep, you get a lot of moss and leaves and everything else like that getting washed down. See, I'm getting better at changing in gear as well while stood up. I'm using the quick shift as opposed to the clutch because having to muck around with levers and stuff like that is a faff. 23 miles per hour, just stood up, using the pegs to steer, looking well ahead, not looking down. That was me looking down at that patch and that sent me off balance. So that was that lane, pretty much done. This bit here can get really flooded if you're ever riding up there after we've had heavy rains. Definitely need to get risers. I'm having to squat on the bike. Actually, it's nowhere. I thought it was done, but it's not. There's a bit more to go. But yeah, it's a lovely little lane there. It's just pretty. It's called a hollow way because it's down underground. Okay, so that's the lane I'm going there, directly opposite.